What truly drives the food that captivates the globe? Pure taste or precision engineering? On one side, McDonald's sells over 2.5 billion burgers each year. And quietly fuels the world's largest charity, the Ronald McDonald House. On the other, KFC doesn't just fry chicken. It rescues millions of meals through its harvest program, battling hunger worldwide. Today on Field to Factory, we're taking you behind the scenes, inside the kitchens, the machines, and the magic that keep these giants on top. By the end, which team are you on? Team KFC or Team McDonald's? Let us know in the comments. KFC. From gas station to global chicken empire. (1930s), Kentucky. Harlan Sanders perfects pressure-fried chicken at his service station. No drive-through, no app, just pure flavor. By 1952, he franchises in Utah, birthing KFC. The bucket icon spreads worldwide through the 60s. Ownership shifts from Sanders to PepsiCo, then Yum brands. Also behind Taco Bell and Pizza Hut. Today's KFC menus evolve faster than you can say extra crispy. Buckets, fries, tenders, mash poppers, snack heaven. Their new stores fuse sleek digital design with chicken joint charm and wild items like Chizza Pizza on a fried chicken crust. The bunless Double Down. Durian balls and chicken porridge keep fans talking. Sourcing and preparation. Fresh chicken arrives under strict inspection, then chills at 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit under a first-in, first-out system. No mystery meat here. Each piece is expertly trimmed, drumsticks, wings, or thighs, for flawless frying. Sanders' secret 11 herbs and spices are massaged deep into every piece, then flavor-locked as it rests, ensuring maximum taste in every bite. Pressure, frying. This isn't Grandma's fryer. KFC's pressure fryers lock in moisture under a sealed lid, delivering juicy meat encased in golden, crispy armor within minutes. After an oil shake-off, each piece passes a final crispness check and then rests in warming cabinets. Never soggy. Sauced items get a luxury glaze or drizzle, preserving crunch under maximum flavor. Packaging and service. Buckets, trays, or boxes arrive hot, fresh, and perfectly packed. Whether dining in, drive-through, or delivery, that first bite never disappoints. So, are you a bucket sharer or solo devourer? Either way, dig in. McDonald's, fast, consistent, global. America's fast food titan serves 69 million customers daily, more than the populations of Italy, France, or England. In the US alone, 45 million visit every day, and 90% of Americans will eat there this year. How do they keep up? Bun crafting. VIP wheat grains mixed with yeast, sugar, and salt in industrial mixers. The dough balls proof into soft clouds, sesame seeds shower like confetti. And buns bake into the fluffy, golden layers we know. Patty production. 100% real beef from trusted suppliers is ground, seasoned with just salt and pepper, pressed into perfect circles, then flash frozen to lock in juiciness. These patties travel worldwide, grill-side in minutes. Toppings and condiments. Pickles cure in tangy brine, no limp slices allowed. Ketchup blends tomatoes, sugar, vinegar, and secret spices. Mustard fuses mustard seeds, vinegar, and spices. Together, they create a harmonious flavor explosion on every burger. Assembly. Toasted buns get precision-applied ketchup and mustard, perfectly placed pickles, shredded lettuce, onions, and the hot patty, then wrapped and warmed. Fast, fresh, flawless. Fries journey. Only russet Burbank potatoes make the cut. They're high-pressure washed, peeled, and water jet cut into uniform sticks. A quick steam, blanched bath removes excess starch, ensuring they fry crisp yet fluffy. Par-fried, then flash frozen, they're shipped to restaurants. Final frying in canola corn soy oil yields golden perfection, with a final VIP sprinkle of salt, served in their iconic red carton. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And before you go, tell us, what's your go-to order? Big Mac or McNuggets? Drop a comment below, grab some fries, and we'll see you next time.